Students, today we will learn whole numbers and fractions. Topic 13, Lesson 7. Let's watch today's video.
How can you use fraction names to represent whole numbers? Think about this question during the lesson. What are some equivalent fraction names for 1, 2, and 3? Let's find out. How many wholes does the number line show? Each whole is divided into how many parts?
So let's count. The line shows 1, 2, 3 holes. And in each hole, we have only one equal part.
The number line shows 3 holes. Each hole is divided into one equal part. You can write a whole number as a fraction by writing the whole number as the numerator and 1 as the denominator. One whole divided into one equal part can be written as 1 over 1. Two wholes, each divided into one equal part, can be written as 2 over 1. 3 wholes, each divided into one equal part, can be written as 3 over 1. There are many fraction names for whole numbers. What is another fraction name for 1?
Select your answer.
So, I'm going to give you a small hint. Fractions, I said this before, fractions are the same of division. So, it's like 1 divided by 1 equals 1. 2 divided by 1 equals 2. 3 divided by 1 equals 3. So since we need one whole, let's look here. 1 divided by 2 can't be 1. 1/2, it can't be 1. No. 1 over 1 equals how many? 1, right? Okay, and 2 over 1 is 2. So which one is the correct answer? Who said 2 over 2? Let's try it. Correct.
You can find other equivalent fraction names for whole numbers.
So look here, everyone. 2 over 1, so it's 2 divided by 1 equals 2. 4 over 2, it means 4 divided by 2 also equals 2. 8 over 4, here, 8 over 4, it is also 8 divided by 4 equals 2. Now, for 3, 3 divided by 1 equals 3. 6 divided by 2 equals 3. 12 divided by 4 equals 3. So, fractions are the same of what? Division. Fractions are division. Okay? Let's now go to our book. The objective of our lesson today, I can use representations to find fraction names for whole numbers. Question number 1. Jamie ate 6 pieces of apple pie during the week. Each piece was 1/6 of the whole pie. How much of the pie did Jamie eat? How much pie is left over? So, she has a pie. The pie, she divided it into 6 equal parts, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. She has 6 days, right? She has, 6 pieces. She ate every day 1 piece. Okay? So how many pieces she ate at the end, by the end of the week? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. She ate 6 pieces of a pie. So 6 parts of 6. 6 over 6. 6 over 6 represents how many wholes? 1 whole. So she ate 1 whole pie. Okay, now think about this. Do I have any leftovers? No. I don't have any leftovers here or even here. She ate 1 whole pie without any leftovers. Jamie cuts another pie into smaller pieces. Each piece of pie is 1/6 of the whole. So now she cut the pie into 8 equal parts. Jamie gives away 8 pieces. Does Jamie have any pie left over? Okay, now let's think about it. She divided the pie into 8 equal parts. And she also distributes or gives away the 8 parts. It is already 8 and she gave 8. So do you think she gave a whole? Who said yes? Correct. She gave a whole. She gave the whole pie. Now, do I have any leftover of the 8 pieces? Correct. No, we don't have any left over. So if each piece is 1/8 of the whole, Jamie cut the pie into 8 pieces. She gave away all 8 1/8 pieces. So none of the pie is left over. Excellent, students. Let's look at this example. We watched it on the video, remember? So as I told you, here they break the number line from 0 to 1 into 2 equal parts and also 4 equal parts. Now, under 1, we can find, or above 1, 4/4. So, do you remember when I told you before, any number, if I have the numerator and the denominator the same, they always equals how many? Yes, equals 1 whole. Okay, now let's look at 2. To find it for 2 or 3 or whatever, always use division. Divide. 4 divided by 2 equals 2. 8 divided by 4 equals 2. The same for 3. So 12/4, it's a fraction. But if I said 12 divided by 4, it equals 3 wholes. Now look here. What equivalent fraction names can you write for 4 using denominators of 1, 2, or 4? Denominators of 1, 2, or 4. Look how you're going to think about it. Write them as a denominator. Here, 1. You're going to ask yourself, 1 times what equals 4? Or sorry, what is the number that I divided by 1 will give me 4? It's 4. Or you're going to ask yourself, 1 times 4, 4. Here, if I have a denominator 2 equals 2, you're going to ask yourself, what is the number that if I divide it by 2, it will give me 4? So it's 8. So I will write 8/2. Or you're going to ask yourself, 2 times 4 equals how many? 8. So you write 8/2. The last fraction, they said denominators of 4. So over 4, think about it. What is the number that if I divide it by 4, the answer will be 4? So it's 16. So 4/1, 8/2, and 16/4, they all equals 4 wholes. Because if I divided each number or each numerator by the denominator, I'm going to get 4. Explain how you know that 4/1 equals 4. Let's see. 4/1 means 4 wholes. So 4/1 is another name for 4. 4/1 and 4 are at the same point on the number line. So Again, I can tell you that 4 over 1 also can be 4 divided by 1. And 4 divided by 1 equals 4. Let's complete the number line here. Complete the number line. First, we can see that they divided the number line into two different parts. 3. First, they divided into 3 equal parts and into 6 equal parts. Okay, so here we can find 1 over 6, 2 over 6, 3 over 6, 4 over 6, 5 over 6. 6 over 6 is a whole. 7 over 6, 8 over 6, 9 over 6, 10 over 6, 11 over 6, and 12 over 6. On the top, we took this before on the number line. 1 over 3, 2 over 3, 3 over 3 is a whole. 4 over 3, 5 over 3, and 6 over 3. Okay, look now at the wholes. Here, 1 and 2. In 1, 6 over 6 and 3 over 3 are equals to 1. As we said before, if I have the same numerator and this the numerator and the denominator the same, so they always equals 1. Now, look at 2. We have 6 over 3. If you ask yourself, 6 divided by 3 equals how many? Yes, excellent, equals 2. How about 12 divided by 6? Correct, it's also equals 2. Okay, let's go to question number 3. It's getting easier, right? Look at the number line. Write 2 equivalent fractions for each whole number. We said, if I have one whole, always. Same numerator, same denominator. Same numerator, same denominator. So, since I have a 3 in the denominator, I'm going to write 3 in the numerator. 3 divided by 3 equals 1. Here, since I have 6 in the denominator, I will write 6 in the numerator. 6 divided by 6 equals 1. Okay, now for 2, here I have a 3. I'm going to ask myself, 3 times 2 equals how many? 6. Okay, now since I have here in the denominator 6, I'm going to ask myself, 6 times 2 equals how many? 12. So 6 over 3 and 12 over 6 are equals to 2. Look at this question, higher order thinking. Peggy has 4 whole sandwiches. She cuts each whole into halves. Peggy gives away 2 over 2. 2 over 2 means she gives away how many wholes? Excellent, she gave away only 1 whole. Show the number of halves Peggy has left as fraction. So we have 4 wholes. I drew here 4 wholes. Okay, I divided each one into halves, like her. She gave away 2 over 2, so 1, 2, she gave away. Now let's see how many she has left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 over 2. Easy one. Complete the equations. Draw lines to match the whole numbers on the left to the equivalent fractions on the right. So here you have 6 over 1, 12 over 2. Ask yourself, 6 divided by 1, 6. 12 divided by 2, 6. So I'm going to match it by 6. Here, 6 over 3. So 6 divided by 3 equals 2. 4 over 2. So it's 4 divided by 2 equals 2. So I'm going to match it with 2. 4 over 4 and 1 over 1. Same numerator, same denominator. 1. 8 over 2. 8 divided by 2 equals 4. 16 over 4, so you'll think about it. 16 divided by 4 equals 4. So the answer is 4. This was our lesson today. Please solve the independent practice and the homework, then send it to me. Love you all. Goodbye.